Hello, welcome to Simply Learn Programming. I am Kapil. In earlier tutorials, we learned to run Android app on Android virtual device in Android Studio. Now, in this tutorial, we will learn to run Android app on real Android device. For that, first step is enable USB debugging option on Android device. Here my Android device is Lenovo Y. Go to device settings, developer option, but from Android 4.2 and newer versions of Android operating system, developer option is hidden by default. So to unhide this option, go to settings in the device, then in about phone option, device information option, see here build number option is present. So tap 7 times on this build number option to unhide developer option. So I already done it. Now go to previous screen to see the developer option. Now here is the developer options. Go into developer options and simply enable USB debugging. That is already enabled in my device. Now second step is connect this Android device to PC. Here we need to install Google USB drivers. For that, in Android Studio, click on SDK Manager. And download Google USB driver, then install. Now set the path of installed Google USB driver. Go to computer, right click on computer, click on manage, click on device manager, and here is my Android device present, Android phone. So expand this, right click on Android ADB interface, click on update driver software, click on browse my computer for driver software, and set the path of Google USB driver which is present in Android SDK, extras folder, Google folder and USB driver folder. So set this path, click on next. So Windows has determined the driver software for your device is up to date. I already set the path. For some Android devices, this Google USB drivers does not support it. So for that devices need to download USB drivers from the original manufacturer website. In Google search, simply type Android OEM USB drivers and click on this first website developer.android.com. So here list of OEM drivers. So according to your Android device, download your USB drivers. After download USB drivers, install USB drivers. Now to check it is properly installed or not, again simply right click on computer, manage, in device manager, your Android device is listed here. Now here we successfully connect Android device to PC. To run the app in Android device, in Android Studio, click on Run. Here is my device name, Lenovo P1MA40. So in that way, your device name also come here. So select this device name and click on OK. Now this app will run on Android device. So again we go back to my Android device and check what is the output. Here is the output of Android app, Hello World. So this is our application that is installed in Android device. Simply click on this application, that is my application. So in this way you run Android app on real Android device. As compared to Android virtual device in Android Studio, the app is fastly run on Android device. So that's it for this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, then please like and subscribe to this channel. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please leave comment down below. Thank you.